Here we have my Unit 5, 6 and 7 work during my second year of college. Just going to start off. This is basically, I think, to do with journeys that we've done. Here's a little stop motion movie that we did. I did a little bit of a story mode, a storyboard thing, and this was my friend. She was doing the acting for me. And this was the journey that I did. This was my way to college and back. And I did a little bit of some drawings on the way and what I saw during the day, I believe. And this is artist research to do with Gunther von Hagens. This is me. I just did some outlines using a white pen. And then we've got surrealism, Fauvism, research, and then this is a journey plan that I was potentially going to take for my final major project. I believe our final major project was a mini book, I believe. And this was a little poem, my journey, I think, yeah. And then here we have some 3D artist research that I've done. We've got Dalmiro Borges, I believe. And then we've got Peter Nowaki. Here's a little mark making of journey. And this one was, I believe, the textures that I found during my journey. I'm not quite sure what that is. This, I believe, is road markings, and this is my friend's hair. This is some Premiere Pro experiments I've done. Got artist research with Melissa Zexter. This is me doing I stitched on the photo to make it look like, I don't know, like her work, kind of inspired. Here's a little artist research again, Alex Trochet. It's more like typography play. I did some of that on paper and digitally. Another artist research, Thomas Biernat. Again, I think this is what I used, an acetate, and did a darkroom process, I think. Could be wrong, but yeah. There. Got artist research, Andrew Stewars. Yeah, that's the one. This is basically just long exposure artist that I kind of used to get inspired with my work here. So I basically just grabbed a torch and just did a long exposure using a camera and just gone around my friend and did some cool effects like that. And this is my contact sheets. So those are the ones that I've done. It's pretty cool. And here's Anna Bregman research. I think it's more of an illustration of portraits I did research on. Again, we got Ed Fairburn, artist research. And I believe this was the art that I've done. This is one of my course mates, and I drew her image on a map, which is inspired by her work. His work, I meant.